Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today it's a cold and windy day, so we're going to make a warm dessert. We're going to be making Crescent Roll Monkey Bread. What you're going to need is 4 tubes of crescent rolls, 1 stick or a half cup of butter. You'll need the vanilla pudding mix, the cook and serve kind, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're also going to need a bundt cake pan, and I've got this sprayed real good. Okay, in a pan here, I'm going to put the butter, the milk, brown sugar, cinnamon, and the pudding mix, and I'm going to stir this until the butter melts, and then I'm going to set it aside. Okay, while the butter's melting, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to take the crescent rolls, try to open it up. Doug, you open it up. Okay. I'll try to put these together here. I'll let Doug show you here what to do with.
Cut them into 1-inch squares. So what we'll do, that there's not quite a 1-inch there. We'll just combine them two there together. Gonna make some balls out of them there. As you can tell, some of ours is different sizes. Just that little fella, we'll just incorporate into that other in there. Had never made monkey bread like this here before. We'd always used biscuits, but this sounded good. Now ours is going to be different sizes here, folks. Like we've always said, make this your own.
Daniel and Doug's going to be doing.
Yeah, we're not going to bore you. We'll go ahead and take the camera off. Shug, you need to take them back over there and show them over there.
Here it is melted. I'm just going to set this aside and let it cool down just a little bit. Okay, Doug and Daniel, they're going to do this. I'll help them out here and we'll just have a rolling party. Okay, we've got about half of them rolled. Well, we've got half of them rolled, got two. We're going to put those in the bottom of the bundt cake pan. And then we'll continue to roll the other half and I'll show you what we do. Okay, we got them all rolled. We put half of them in here and now you're going to pour the sauce, I guess, I don't know what you call it, over. Get all that goodness out of there. Okay, now we're going to take the rest of our crescent rolls, or the little crescent roll balls, and just spread them out throughout the pan. Okay, now got the second layer. We're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes and then we'll be back. Here it is out of the oven. We're going to let this set for 10 minutes and then try to get it out of the pan, hopefully. Okay, we're going to try this. Say a little prayer for me. Okay, I'm going to let Doug try this for me.
We're going to scoot you all over here a second. I'll be the one to take the blame for this. Ouch. It's hot. Thought you said it wasn't hot.
The rim wasn't. I didn't know you was going to grab hold of the bottom.
Tried to burn me, folks.
I didn't know you was going to grab hold of the bottom.
Dang.
Okay, let's see if it...
Might want to wrap on it a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think it's coming. That's not good.
Hey, we show you like it is, folks.
Yep. The good and the bad.
It may not be the prettiest after I'm done with it here. Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Just a little bit of wrapping, that's all it took.
Yeah. There we go. Now we're probably going to have to let this cool a few minutes, maybe. We'll see. And we'll give it a try.
Alrighty. Talk to him, Shug.
Okay, let's slice it up, see how it does. Okay. Let's give it a try.
Alrighty. You got us a fork yet, Dan?
Here you go.
Get Mama one.
Here you go, Mom.
Delicious.
Yum.
Mm.
That's good.
Very good.
All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Holman's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holman's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holman's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holman's home.